Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a bank statement from the CBQ app. Open the CBQ app and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are on the home screen, you will see the amount or account. Tap on account you want the statement for. After opening the account, look for the statement, transfer history or view statement. Tap on it. Now select the date range you want to need, such as last month, last 3 months or customer date. You will see a statement on the screen. Download PDF, export or CV file. Once downloaded, you can save it to your phone, email it, share it on WhatsApp, upload in any other app. If you cannot find the download button, try rotating your phone, check another means like more option or update the CBQ app. You can also request statement through the CBQ customer support. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.